Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
We are so happy to see you again. Thank you for coming back to learn English with us.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Anna.
Today, we have a very useful English lesson for you.
Yes, today we are talking about either and neither.
These two words are very common in daily English.
You will hear them at school, at work, while shopping, while traveling, and even when talking with your friends.
By the end of this lesson, you will know the meaning of either and neither.
You will also learn why native speakers use them so often.
We will explain simple sentence patterns,
We will show you positive sentences,
negative sentences too,
question sentences,
WH questions,
daily conversations,
common mistakes,
easy memory tricks.
and lots of real-life examples.
So don't worry if these words seem confusing now.
We will learn together, one step at a time.
By the end of this lesson, you will feel much more confident.
Let's begin.
Tom, I hear people say, I don't like coffee.
Yes,
Then another person says, me neither.
exactly.
Sometimes another person says, I don't like coffee either.
That's right.
And then I get confused.
Many English learners feel the same.
Really?
Yes, but today we will make it very easy.
Great.
First, let's understand the simple meaning.
I'm ready.
The word either usually means one or the other.
One or the other.
Yes,
Can you give me an easy example?
of course.
I'm listening.
You can have tea or coffee. Either drink is fine.
So both choices are okay.
Exactly.
Very easy.
Now let's look at another meaning.
There's another meaning?
Yes,
Tell us.
after a negative sentence, either means also.
Really?
Yes,
Can you show us?
sure.
Go ahead.
I don't eat fish.
Okay.
My brother doesn't eat fish either.
So either means also after a negative sentence.
Perfect.
That already makes more sense.
Now let's learn neither.
Okay.
Neither means not one and not the other.
Can you explain that simply?
Of course.
Please do.
Imagine two books.
Okay.
I don't want this book.
All right.
I don't want that book.
Okay.
I want neither book.
So I don't want both of them.
Exactly.
Neither means zero.
Yes.
Not this one.
Right?
Not that one.
Exactly.
That's easy to remember.
Now let's compare them.
Good idea.
Either usually gives a choice.
Okay.
Neither means no choice because you don't want any of them.
I like that explanation.
Let's use food.
Everyone likes food examples.
Would you like pizza or pasta?
Either is fine.
Perfect.
Now use neither.
Would you like fish or chicken?
Neither, thank you.
Excellent.
Can I say either, thank you?
Not in that situation,
Why?
because someone asked you to choose.
Oh,
If both choices are okay, say either is fine.
I understand.
If you want none of them, say neither thank you.
That is much clearer now.
Wonderful.
Can either come at the end of a sentence?
Yes,
Can you show us?
I don't watch horror movies.
Okay.
My sister doesn't watch them either.
So either is at the end.
Exactly.
Can I say my sister either doesn't watch them?
That sounds strange here.
So I should put either at the end.
Yes, after the negative sentence.
Good to know.
Now let's learn a very common expression.
I love common expressions.
Someone says, I'm not hungry.
Okay.
You also are not hungry.
What do I say?
You can say, me neither.
That's short and natural.
Native speakers use it all the time.
Can I say me either?
Great question.
Thank you.
In everyday spoken English, many people say me either.
Really?
Yes.
So is it wrong?
In casual conversation, you will hear it often.
Okay.
But for learners, me neither is the safer choice.
That's helpful.
Let's practice.
I'm ready.
I don't like very cold weather.
Me neither.
Excellent.
Your turn.
Okay.
I don't play golf.
Me neither.
Very easy.
Now another example.
Let's do it.
I can't swim.
Me neither.
Perfect.
I don't drink coffee.
Me neither.
I'm getting faster.
Yes, you are. Let's make longer sentences.
Good idea. I don't watch TV after midnight.
I don't watch TV after midnight either.
Nice.
Notice that I used either at the end.
I noticed that.
Now let's learn a sentence pattern.
I like patterns because they are easy to remember.
Great.
Let's hear it.
Negative sentence plus either.
Can you give us the pattern?
Subject plus do not or does not plus verb plus either.
Simple.
Let's make examples.
Go ahead.
I don't eat meat either.
She doesn't drive either.
They don't work on Sunday either.
We don't wake up early either.
Excellent.
Now let's learn a pattern with neither.
Good.
I'm listening.
Neither plus noun.
Example?
Neither answer is correct.
Easy.
Neither restaurant is open.
Nice.
Neither phone works.
Can I say neither phones work?
Almost correct.
What is correct?
Say neither phone works.
Only one noun?
Yes,
Why?
because neither is usually followed by a singular noun.
That is important.
Very important.
I think many learners make that mistake.
Exactly.
Let's practice.
Great.
Neither students are here.
Almost correct.
What's the correct sentence?
Neither student is here.
Now I understand.
Good job.
Let's try another one.
Go ahead.
Neither cars are new.
Almost.
Correct me.
Neither car is new.
Much better.
Excellent.
Can we use neither of?
Yes, we can.
When?
When we talk about two people or two things.
Example, please.
Neither of the boys is sleeping.
Nice.
Neither of my friends lives here.
Can I say neither of us is late?
Perfect.
That sounds useful.
It is.
Let's use family examples.
Good idea.
Neither of my sisters can drive.
Excellent.
Neither of my parents drinks coffee.
Very good.
Let's use work examples.
Sure.
Neither of the managers is in the office.
Excellent.
Neither of the computers is working.
Perfect.
Now I want to ask something.
Go ahead.
Can I say either of?
Yes.
Really?
Of course.
When do we use it?
When both choices are possible.
Example.
Either of these dresses looks beautiful.
Nice.
You can choose either of them.
Very natural.
Let's imagine we are shopping.
I love shopping examples.
The store has two blue shirts.
Okay.
The shop assistant says, either shirt will look great on you.
That means both are good choices.
Exactly.
Now another shopping example.
Please.
The shop assistant says, neither shirt is your size.
Perfect.
That means both shirts are the wrong size.
Exactly.
Let's practice together.
Everyone watching, join us.
Say the answer before Tom.
Ready?
Sentence number 1.
I don't like spicy food.
What can you say?
Pause the video if you need more time.
Did you answer?
The answer is, me neither.
Or, I don't like spicy food either.
Excellent.
Sentence number 2.
Would you like tea or juice?
If both are okay, what do you say?
Either is fine.
Perfect. Now let's keep practicing because practice makes English easier.
The more you practice, the more natural your English becomes.
Exactly. Let's look at another daily situation.
Imagine you are at a restaurant.
The waiter says, would you like soup or salad?
What can you say if both are okay?
Either is fine.
Perfect.
What if I don't want soup and I don't want salad?
Then you can say, neither, thank you.
That sounds very natural.
Native speakers use sentences like these every day.
Let's visit another place.
How about school?
Great.
Your teacher says you can write with a pen or a pencil.
I can answer, either is okay.
Excellent.
Now the teacher asks, do you have a blue pen or a black pen?
You look in your bag.
Oh no.
You have neither.
So I say, I have neither.
Exactly.
Very easy.
Now let's talk about travel.
I love travel examples.
You are at the airport.
Okay.
Someone asks, would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
Either seat is fine.
Perfect.
Now another example.
The airline asks, do you have your passport or your ID card?
Oh no.
You forgot both.
I say, I have neither.
Exactly.
I hope that never happens.
Me too.
Now let's practice with phone conversations.
Good idea.
Hello, Tom. Are you free today or tomorrow?
Either day works for me.
Great.
Now you answer this one.
Okay.
Can you meet at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m.?
Either time is fine.
Excellent.
Now a different answer.
Go ahead.
Can you meet today or tomorrow?
Neither day works for me.
Perfect.
Now let's talk about positive and negative ideas.
I'm ready.
Remember this.
Okay.
Either often gives a choice.
Yes.
Neither gives no choice.
Because both choices are not possible.
Exactly.
Can we compare them side by side?
Of course.
Sentence 1.
You can take either bus.
Both buses are okay.
Right.
Sentence 2.
Neither bus goes to the airport.
So both buses are wrong.
Exactly.
That comparison helps a lot.
Now let's look at questions.
Yes.
Someone asks, which movie do you want to watch?
Okay.
You like both.
I answer, either movie is fine.
Excellent.
Another question.
Which jacket do you want?
Neither jacket fits me.
Perfect.
Let's practice WH questions.
Good idea.
Which cake do you want?
Either cake is okay.
Which phone do you want to buy?
Neither phone has enough storage.
Which road should we take?
Either road will get us there.
Which answer is correct?
Neither answer is correct.
Very nice.
Now let's learn another useful pattern.
I'm listening.
Either or.
I hear this expression a lot.
Yes.
What does it mean?
It means one choice or the other.
Can you show us?
Either you call me or I will call you.
Very easy.
Either we leave now or we will be late.
Nice.
Either my dad or my mom will drive.
That sounds very natural.
Now let's learn another pattern.
Is it neither nor?
Exactly.
What does it mean?
It means not this one and not that one.
Examples, please.
Neither Tom nor Anna is late.
Good.
Neither my brother nor my sister likes coffee.
Another one.
Neither the red dress nor the blue dress fits me.
Very clear.
Now I will make a mistake.
Really?
Yes.
Let's see.
Either you come and you stay home.
That sounds strange.
Exactly.
Why?
Because the choices must be different.
Oh.
A better sentence is either you come with us or you stay home.
Now it makes sense.
Let's look at another mistake.
Okay.
Neither John or Mary is here.
Is that wrong?
Yes.
What is correct?
Neither John nor Mary is here.
So we use nor.
Exactly.
That is an important rule.
Very important.
Let's do a mini quiz.
Everyone, answer before we do.
Number 1.
Would you like water or juice?
Both are okay.
What do you say?
Either is fine.
Correct.
Number 2.
Do you have your keys or your wallet? You forgot both. What do you say?
I have neither.
Excellent.
Number 3.
Fill in the blank.
I don't like horror movies. Blank.
Think carefully.
Ready?
The answer is either.
I don't like horror movies either.
Perfect.
Number 4.
Fill in the blank.
Blank of my brothers can swim.
The answer?
Neither.
Excellent.
Let's do some correction practice.
Great idea.
Wrong sentence.
Neither students are ready.
Pause the video.
Can you fix it?
The correct answer is
Neither student is ready.
excellent. Next one.
Either boys can help you.
Can you correct it?
Either boy can help you.
Perfect. Another one.
Neither my friend or my cousin is here. Can you fix it?
Neither my friend nor my cousin is here.
Excellent.
One more.
I don't like ice cream too.
That sounds wrong.
Yes.
The correct sentence is
I don't like ice cream either.
great.
Now let's have a short conversation.
Let's do it.
Hi, Anna. Would you like to watch a movie or play a game?
Either is fine.
Great. Do you like action movies?
No.
Me neither.
Do you like horror movies?
Neither of us likes horror movies.
Let's watch a comedy.
Great idea.
That conversation sounds very natural.
And you can use it in real life.
Let's try another one.
Sure.
Are you taking the bus or the train?
Either one is okay.
Do both go to the city?
Yes.
Great.
Now another conversation.
Okay.
Would you like coffee or tea?
Neither, thank you.
Would you like water?
Yes, please.
Excellent.
Now, let's give everyone a memory trick.
Great idea.
I love memory tricks.
Remember this.
I'm listening.
The word either begins with the sound of easy choice.
Easy choice.
Yes,
So both choices are okay.
exactly.
And what about neither?
Think of the letter N.
N?
Yes,
What does it remind us of?
No.
No choice.
Exactly.
Not this one, not that one. That memory trick is very easy.
I hope it helps everyone remember.
Before we finish, let's quickly review.
Either means one choice or the other.
It can also mean also after a negative sentence.
Neither means not one and not the other.
Either or gives two possible choices.
Neither nor means both choices are not true.
Use me neither when you agree with a negative sentence.
And remember that either usually comes at the end of a negative sentence.
Practice every day.
Speak out loud.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn.
Every sentence you practice makes your English stronger.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
Keep believing in yourself.
You can do it.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We really enjoyed spending this time with you.
If this lesson helped you, please give this video a like.
Leave a comment with your own sentence using either or neither.
We would love to read your examples.
Share this lesson with your family and friends who are learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson.
Thank you for watching.
Take care.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.